Michael Tan Defensor, born June 30th, 1969, is a Filipino politician who most recently served as the party list representative for Anakalusagan from 2019 to 2022. He is also the CEO of Pax Libera Mining, Inc. Defensor began his political career in Quezon City, where he was a member of the city council from 1992 to 1995. He was elected as representative of the city's 3rd district in 1995. In Congress, he was a member of the Spice Boys, a group of young congressmen who led the efforts to impeach President Joseph Estrada. The impeachment trial and wide-scale protests of the Second EDSA revolution resulted in Estrada's resignation and Vice President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo's accession to the presidency. Defensor went on to serve various positions in the Arroyo administration: Chairman of the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council, Secretary of Environment and Natural Resources, and Malacagang Chief of Staff. He was also appointed to Ninoy Aquino International Airport and Philippine National Railways. In 2019, he was elected again to the House of Representatives. He was a leading figure among the 70 representatives who voted to deny the franchise renewal of ABS-CBN during the COVID-19 pandemic. He promoted and distributed the antiparasitic drug ivermectin as a prophylaxis and treatment for COVID-19, despite the lack of scientific evidence supporting its efficacy. Defensor unsuccessfully ran for mayor of Quezon City in 2010 and 2022. He finished elementary, Bachelor of Arts in History, and Masters in Public Administration at the University of the Philippines, where he became a member of the Upper Alpha Sigma. He finished his secondary education at Niles McKinley High School in Niles, Ohio. He is married to Julie Rose Tacticon Defensor. Mike Defensor, on July 4, 2008, filed perjury lawsuit versus Rodolfo Noel Lozada for testifying under oath that he had paid Lozada Philippine peso 50,000 to change his statement that he was not kidnapped at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Naya, when he arrived from Hong Kong at the height of the Philippine National Broadband Network controversy. ZTE Jong Crossing Telecommunication Equipment Company Limited scandal. On December 4, 2007, Mike Defensor quietly joined to the board of directors of Petron Corporation with former Budget Secretary Emilia Bangkatan. Defensor had been frequenting Macau. Bangkatan stated that Defensor was invited to the board by Nicasio Alcantara, government's team head/chair, Petron. Membership in the Petron board is a lucrative job, as Defensor was offered a board seat in sequestered United Coconut Planters Bank. Defeated administration candidate. Former Senator Ralph Recto joined the board of Union Bank, controlled by the Aboidas family. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.